Ate Osang, happy birthday and happy retirement. Welcome to the Retirees Club. Let us enjoy ourselves with our family, with our apo and loved ones. Enjoy and be safe.
Hi, Maring Osang. Welcome to the world of retirees. Enjoy our life. Marami pa tayong magagawa rito. So, carry on and congratulations. Bye.
Ng Kamparigan for your very meaningful and successful retirement from the PNP service. You have served the QCPD with integrity and passion for so many years. QCPD resources took good care of you being as the Chief DSAW QCPD. Your unwavering support and dedication to your duty truly makes QCPD proud. Thank you also for your support during my stint as the Logistic Officer of QCPD. Twice Chief of Logistics QCPD, and ikaw pa rin ang aming kasama. And now, enjoy your days with your family, your retirement days. Ito na yung time para kayong buong pamilya ay magsama-sama nung wala nang tatawag sa'yo sa opisina araw-araw. Again, congratulations from Cebu City Police Office. More power to you, and may God bless you and your family. Dagang salamat at maayong hapon sa inyong lahat, especially sa iyo. Mabuhay ka, Madam Osang. Thank you.
Salamat sa serbisyo mo na natapos mo, at least nakagraduate ka sa September 12. Isang maligayang kaarawan at nakagraduate ka dito sa QCPD bilang District Supply Accountable Officer. So on behalf of the DLD family, nagpapasalamat kami sa serbisyo na naitulong mo. At very accommodating, wala kaming masasabi. More or less 8 months pa lang ako dito sa QCPD, pero maganda yung samahan natin. Maraming sakripisyo kang naibigay dahil yung accountability mo talagang pinanindigan mo. Experience ko sa ibang region, bibihira yung DSAW na naka-clear. So, naka-clear, ibig sabihin, yung relief of property accountability ay na-comply mo yung mga requirements. Maraming iba dyan na hindi naka-claim ng pension. So, sana maka-claim ka ng pension at ma-enjoy mo ang yung benepisyo na nasakripisyoan mo rin sa PNP. Happy birthday ulit, Ate Osang.
Osang, happy birthday and happy retirement. Sayang basta happy birthday and good luck sa retirement po natin. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Wishing you a happy and fulfilling retirement. Thank you for your leadership and guidance. Enjoy this new journey in life. Happy birthday, Mama Osang!
Mamamas ko po.